Suicide is the second leading cause of death for Colorado's teenagers. Rick Padilla lost his son 3 years ago. Today, he led a youth summit at DU trying to break through the stigma of talking with teenagers about mental health. Our Byron Reed was there.
The topic of suicide out of the darkness and into the light.
We want to hear young people's voice in terms of what we should do as a community to address the emerging mental health issues of our young people. I'm Rick Padilla. I work for the Denver Department of Public Health and Environment, and I focus on suicide prevention. We lost our son, Jack. He was 15 years old. He was a freshman in high school. He died by suicide.
If you're hurting, today's the day to reach out.
This is the first annual We Got This event.
The goal being to give them some hope, give them resources, and give them a platform to talk about mental health. So it's really important that we give these kids some hope. My name is John Padilla. I graduated from Montana State University, and I lost my little brother, Jack Padilla, to suicide in February of 2019. I hope that students take away from today that they're not alone in their suffering, and that there is hope for them, and that there are adults and peers that are fighting for them.
I've almost lost myself to suicide, so it's really important that I'm here. I'm Lily. I'm a senior at Cherry Creek High School, and I've been working on this summit for over 2 years with Rick Padilla and his son, John Padilla. We're going through a lot, and what most adults don't realize is we know what mental health is before they think we do.
It lets these kids know that they're not struggling alone. And that's something I think that really could have helped save Jack's life.
COVID has really been amplified for young people. Isolation, the lack of peer connection. We're just, I think, beginning to see an emergence of a lot of the mental health issues.
Mental health doesn't have an age. It affects you when it affects you, and that's just the hardest part.
So don't feel alone.
Without events like these, the conversation won't be open, and if the conversation isn't open, it puts a lot of teens in danger.
That there is light at the end of the tunnel, and that you have lots of people your age and older than you that want you to live.
If you stick with it and you reach out and you get the help that you need, it does get better.
We all need a little hope and community in caring for one another today.